Welcome back to Wall Curtains. In today's video, we're showcasing some amazing before and after furniture upholstery makeovers that will leave you inspired. Whether you're thinking of revamping an old couch or giving your dining chairs a fresh new look, we've got all the design inspiration you need. Before scene. Let's start by showing the before. These worn out, faded furniture pieces have definitely seen better days. But with a little creativity and the right materials, they can look as good as new. Stay tuned to see the transformation. During the process, our team at Wall Curtains begins by carefully selecting high-quality upholstery fabrics that not only match the client's style but also enhance the furniture's durability. From sleek leather to cozy velvet, we use only the best materials. After scene. Now for the after, look at the stunning transformation. These pieces have gone from drab to fab, completely elevating the look of the room. Upholstery makeovers are a fantastic way to breathe new life into your furniture and home decor. Where to shop for sofas in Dubai? Looking for high-quality, customizable sofas in Dubai? Head over to wallcurtains.com where you'll find a wide range of designs to suit every style. Whether you prefer modern, contemporary, or classic designs, we've got the perfect sofa waiting for you. Why choose Wall Curtains for upholstery? At Wall Curtains, we specialize in premium upholstery services, offering a wide selection of fabrics and expert craftsmanship. Our team will work with you to ensure your vision becomes a reality, transforming your furniture into stylish and functional pieces. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to give your furniture a stunning makeover, visit wallcurtains.com to explore our services and book a consultation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest projects. See you in the next video.